Welcome to Kiko's Toy Box. Today we're going to take a quick look at these blockies. They are called Terra Adventure, Jurassic World, Beware of the Dinosaurs, Terra Adventure. It's going to be a quick unboxing and build video, so stay tuned and follow us for. Okay, let's do a quick unboxing of this little egg. They sell these at Walmart for almost $3. So let's rip it open. Let's see what we got. Our card. Let's see what it is. Oh, we got the mosasaur. Cool. Here's the instructions. Look like these include these. There's like a build and collect and build, like a skeleton of a I believe it might, I'm not sure what it is. We'll see in the instructions, but these are extra pieces. Set these on the side and let's get building. Do not eat. So yes. This piece goes in here, and this other piece goes in there. Like that. And this goes right on top. Big squeeze. That. And now put the tail together. Pops on this side. There you go. And now let's assemble the body. Two of these pegs go right here till they make Come on, get in there. till it pops in place. Gotta do the other side. Kind of hard. And now assemble the body. It shows here. And the tail. Flipper dinghies. One, two, 3, and 4. There you go. Got the little mosasaur. Some body articulation. Very cool. Smell up and down. And the jaw. That's nice. Sculpts. The eyes. Pretty cool. And let's go to the next one. And let's go. We're back at Kiko's Toy Box. In our toy box today, we have the Jurassic World Blokees Terra Adventures. 0 to 3 sad babies. Beware the dinosaurs. There's some pieces. Now let's rip it open. See how this one is. Do not eat. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got the Gyrosphere. Pretty cool. First vehicle that I have unboxed. Oh, I need this instruction, so it looks simple enough. So let's see. An extra. Okay. Seems simple enough. Oh, there's some indication. So this goes in the bottom. This goes just one way. So, okay. There's the hole here. It's to be lined up with that indent in here. Right there. So that lines up with that. Go. Okay, now we get this, the seats go in right in the middle. Now this piece goes in the back. That little goes right there, that little hole. So tight. Now these look the same. No. Okay, I see the difference. That's the bottom piece. And the top piece is that one. So this top piece goes in. I guess it locks in those little pegs on there. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. It's already working. And just rest it down here. And then lock it with these on each side. Pretty nifty. And it works. It rolls and it keeps the seats upright. How cool is that? And that's it for our unboxing and build of the Blokees Terra Adventure Jurassic World. So, thank you for stopping by. Go and do your thing. Click the like, share, subscribe. More content coming soon. Thank you for watching.